So what is given? A square plus b square minus 2a minus 2b is equal to 0. Okay. Now can you write this as a square minus 2a plus 1? अपनी साइड से ऐड कर रहा हूं, b square minus 2b plus 1. So right side take 2. Now can you write this as a minus 1 whole square plus b minus 1 whole square is equal to 2? Perfect. अब इस फॉर्म को ऑब्जर्व करो, देखा जाए तो ये सर्कल से कनेक्टेड है. Here a and b both are variables, right? So if I write the parametric form of this expression, can I take a as 1 plus root 2 cos theta and b as 1 plus root 2 sin theta? अब इसका रीजन क्या है? बिकॉज जिस एक्सप्रेशन को वो मिनिमाइज या मैक्सिमाइज करने के लिए कह रहा है, अब वहां पर a और b प्रेजेंट है, तो आई थॉट क्यों ना मैं a और b को किसी पैरामीटर की फॉर्म में ले आता हूं, सो दैट इट बिकम्स इजी टू मिनिमाइज और मैक्सिमाइज, बिकॉज इन दैट केस इट विल बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन वन पैरामीटर, लाइक इन दिस केस दैट विल बी थीटा. चलो अब ये है कि सर व्हाट टू डू विद रूट ऑफ a प्लस b, रूट ऑफ a b, रूट ऑफ a प्लस रूट ऑफ b. ओके, तो एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स कैलकुलेट a प्लस b. ओके, so what about a plus b? So it will be 2 plus, if I take root 2 common, it gives you sin theta plus cos theta. Now can you write this expression as root 2 से multiply, root 2 से divide, and this is 1 upon root 2 cos theta. Now this is 2 plus 2. Can we write this as sin of theta plus pi by 4? So this is the value of a plus b. Now because we want to maximize, so a plus b का जो maximum value होगा, that is possible when this part becomes 1, right? And this part is equal to 1 whenever theta becomes pi by 4. So it becomes 2 when theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, one part is done. कि चलो हमने यार a plus b को तो maximize कर लिया. Okay, now let's focus on a into b. So it was 1 plus root 2 cos theta, which is multiplied by 1 plus root 2 sin theta. Now if you open this product, so it gives you 1 plus root 2 common, so you will have sin theta plus cos theta, plus root 2, that becomes 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is 1 plus, use the same logic जो हमने a plus b में किया था. So 2 से multiply, 2 से divide. So this is sin of theta plus pi by 4. And boss, this becomes sin 2 theta. Okay. Now, if you want to maximize a into b also, so आप कहोगे सर 1 तो constant है, तो maximum होना इन दोनों expression पे depend कर रहा है. क्या ये दोनों simultaneously maximum होंगे? Sin 2 theta will be maximum when 2 theta becomes pi by 2, that means theta becomes pi by 4, and this is also maximum at theta is equal to pi by 4. So that's why it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 1. So this is 4 when theta is pi by 4. That looks good because दोनों expression same time पर maximum हो रहे हैं. Now one more expression is there, and that expression was root of a plus root of b. Now can we do one thing? Can we use this identity that root of a plus root of b whole square can be written as a plus b and plus 2 root ab? So if you want to maximize this, so we need to maximize a plus b as well as ab, and I need to make sure कि दोनों के दोनों simultaneously maximum हो जाए, and which is possible. This is 4 when theta is pi by 4. Root of AB, so AB was maximum when theta was pi by 4, and that maximum value was 4, so this becomes 8. It means root A plus root B, its maximum value will be 2 root 2. Perfect. I think my problem is done. So what was the problem? Your problem was root A plus root B plus root of AB and plus root of A plus B. We were looking for its maximum value. and now you can check. ये सारे expressions, this, all are maximum simultaneously. That means when theta का value is pi by 4. रख दो. So boss, this is 2 root 2. This is 4, so root of 4. This is 4, so root of 4. And that gives you 4 plus 2 root 2. Right? And अगर आपको options match कराने हैं तो you can take 2 common and then it becomes 2 plus root 2. So this is the answer. Now check which option is right. So if you look at the options, yes, you can see option C is the right answer. I hope this problem is clear. तो ये प्रॉब्लम मैं अच्छी कैटेगरी में रखूंगा एंड द रीजन इज बिकॉज इसी प्रॉब्लम में आई एम यूजिंग 2 or 3 कॉन्सेप्ट. 1, trigonometry is involved. I am using circle, that means parametric form of this expression, right? And at the same time using extrema concept, क्योंकि हम इस expression को maximize कर रहे हैं. Okay, so I hope this problem is clear. Okay.